In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable OneDrive. OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage service that allows you to store files and access them from anywhere. However, sometimes you might want to disable it, whether to improve computer performance, save bandwidth, or simply because you prefer using another cloud service. Let's walk through the process of disabling OneDrive in just a few easy steps. First, let's start by opening OneDrive settings. Look for the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar, which you'll find in the bottom right corner of your screen. It might be hidden inside the system tray, so be sure to click the little upward arrow to see all your tray icons if you don't spot it right away. Once you see the cloud icon, give it a click. A menu will pop up. Navigate to the section labeled Help and Settings and then click on Settings. This will open the OneDrive settings window, which is where we'll be working to disable the service. Now that we have the OneDrive settings open, it's time to move on to the next step, unlinking your account. Within the settings window, you'll notice several tabs at the top. Click on the Account tab. Under this tab, look for a button labeled Unlink this PC if you're using Windows, or Unlink this Mac if you're on a Mac. Clicking this button essentially stops OneDrive from syncing files between your computer and the cloud storage, while leaving all of the files already downloaded on your computer intact. This means your files won't disappear, they'll stay right there on your device, but they will no longer be updated with changes you make, nor will changes on your device be reflected in the cloud. Once you've unlinked your account, OneDrive will stop syncing files to and from the cloud. It's important to note that if there are any files in OneDrive that you haven't saved to your PC, you might want to download them before you unlink your account. This ensures that all crucial data is accessible to you offline. By following these steps, you're able to successfully disable OneDrive. This can be a helpful way to manage your local storage and network bandwidth more efficiently. Remember, you can always re-enable OneDrive in the future if you decide to utilize the service again by simply signing back into your account through the OneDrive application. Thank you for watching this guide on disabling OneDrive. We hope it's been helpful and straightforward. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tutorials.